Welcome to Chatty Nights with Samiksha and
Dhruv.
probably this is our first podcast which we are hosting together.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So the topic for today which we are going to host is so Dhruv, do men like makeup on girls?
Yes, men do like makeup on girls, but that really depends upon when that makeup is, how the makeup is it normal, is it too loud? So I basically feel that, men like that subtle makeup on women. Now, for example, now early in the morning, you just want to see the natural beauty, and when late at night when you're going out for a nice dinner, yeah, a subtle makeup would do. If there's a wedding, a little loud would work. So it all depends upon the occasion and what kind of moment is there. But generally, yes, we do like makeup. A normal eyeliner with a nice lip gloss works wonders for us.
And when you say that a normal makeup, do you mean no makeup look?
No, a good kajal always works. Like it always works, and a nice lip gloss always works. But yeah, no makeup. Like if you have that thing, so way to go.
Probably. I think that's nice, and I think we all girls have this question in our mind every time we meet a guy that are we too loud, or should we add those lashes? So do you men actually like those loud lashes and colored lenses?
It just depends. It just depends. Like if you can carry it off and everything of that sort. I've seen girls carrying off very loud makeup pretty amazingly. And then I've seen girls roaming around with no makeup and looking so beautiful. So it just depends upon the way you carry yourself. You know your look better. So just see yourself, and if you are comfortable, go ahead with it. Let the world think whatever it wants to think. That's what my version is. Every girl is beautiful in a different way, with or without makeup. Like, yeah.
Absolutely, I think that's a great one. And so now that you know that we are going to talk about girls versus boys, and I think it's time for Dhruv to ask the question.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this girls versus boys thing. So how do you like men? Do you like them to be all trim and proper, properly manicured, pedicured men, or those ones with those rough look, long beards, unkept hair and everything of that sort? So how do you women like your men?
So I think again it depends. Like you men always say this, that probably if he's going to be my husband, I would like him very nice, proper, trimmed, and very nicely done. But if I'm going to date and he's going to be my boyfriend, I would really want him rough and tough and those messy hair and those long hairs. I wouldn't mind a piercing too. So I think probably that would work with me, and not that he'll become like an unhygienic person, but yeah, long beard always is erotic for every woman, I believe.
So yes, a long hair and long beard. Yeah, that is always there. Like if you can carry it, that's the main thing now. Whatever look you have, you should be able to carry it. So you'll be okay with me having long beard and long hair?
Probably I just gave some terms and conditions that you're going to be my man. So of course you have to have trimmed hair and nice beard would help.
Yeah, this is not done. The rough look also looks pretty nice and amazing.
Yeah, some days if you want to experiment with it, I don't mind.
So the piercings are on.
Oh, I would love them. Probably the people living in our house allow it.
Okay, so if you have to say which area do you find amazing in a man that is pierced? Like, do you like those eyebrow piercings or the ear piercings or the lip piercings? Like, which is your favorite piercing when you see a man like that just takes your breath away or something like that?
So recently I have come across a guy who's on Instagram, and he makes amazing reels. He's some Gora, I don't know from which city he is, and he has this nose piercing, which is which is not common in India when you see it. But my good God, that guy carried it so well. Those piercing was so good. Like literally, he was wearing a nose ring, and he was looking so good, and he was looking so damn good. So I think nose piercing goes first, and secondly, if I had to see somebody in India, which usually I see men in, is eyebrow piercing.
Yeah, that's pretty common, but I've never heard of a nose piercing. Like, seriously?
I am definitely going to show you that guy. He was. Arey, you might have seen that movie also, no? Where Shahid Kapoor also gets a nose piercing done.
Which one is that?
I think I don't remember it correctly, but probably there is one movie where he also gets it done.
You need a lot of things to get your nose pierced and then look good and amazing with it. Like I cannot do it. I cannot carry it. The maximum I can do is get my eyebrows pierced or a single ear piercing. That's the maximum I can do with a nice stud or something of that sort.
Probably, but I think the people who are listening to us at this very moment, what do they think? Oh, they can always comment and let us know, or they can always DM us and let us know. What do you think, guys? What piercing would look good on a man, or if you are a man, where would you like to get yourself pierced? Okay, the same question goes for you also, Dhruv. Where do you like a girl? Do you like girls in piercing?
Yes.
Okay. That was a very thoughtful yes. Okay, coming back to the topic. Dhruv, where do you like girls getting pierced?
If you talk about facially, then facially I would say I really love the nose piercings. I just love them, and there are very few girls who can carry it amazingly. And I suppose you're one of them. You were so scared in getting it done initially, but oh my god, it looks really amazing when you seriously it does. And then eyebrow piercings. I've always been a huge fan of eyebrow piercings, and I really consider girls who can really carry it off are amazing. That just shows I don't know, this is something with piercings, and it just shows how independent and how outgoing, in the sense like how independent a person is, and how
frequently they can think and take their decisions.
Exactly outgoing, and positive and pretty brave. So I don't know, it just gives me a feeling that I don't know if it's with everyone or not, but for me, piercings are always people with piercings are those people who are very strong and have a lot in them, like a lot of endurance in them, because it just denotes that thing to me. Like you need a lot of
you need a lot of courage to actually carry those piercings. And probably I think I have seen a lot of girls with eyebrow piercing, especially in their college days.
And and with all the teachers giving you those weird looks, I don't know if it still happens or not, but in our times, piercing. If you're sitting with a piercing in the college and then you used to get weird looks from the professor,
that she's going to be some, girl who's super hippie and chic and, really cool, or she's going to talk to guys. And this is the image usually, men carry around. Do you think that?
It's not something of that sort. Like, I don't know. It depends from person to person. So, and it's a very different notion for everyone. For me, it's not like, For me, it is more of a person who can express himself. It's more of a person who can really express, who can really, have his own thoughts put out loud. That's
Absolutely.
What I feel.
And what about the body, Dhruv?
Oh my god. Okay.
It's chatty nights.
So, navels.
Yeah, I've heard they're a big turn on for men.
They are, obviously they are.
Uh-huh.
Like, if you're in that moment and then you suddenly see a piercing in the navel, you're like, oh my god, I've hit a jackpot. Have I hit a jackpot? Yeah, and I've heard it hurts a lot. Is it?
I don't know. I mean, probably it's a very sensitive area, so it's gotta hurt a lot. But then I think it's the same pain you get while you have a nose piercing or an ear pierced. So I think it's kind of the same only. But it takes a lot of guts, and probably all the girls who have got it done, hats off to you, It's very tough to handle them though.
Yeah, I don't know, because I have no single piercing on my body. And the person who's talking about piercings right now has not even a single part of his body pierced till now. Like, oh my god.
So Dhruv, where would you like to get pierced? Yeah. And what would you like to wear? So I have seen men getting their ears pierced, and they really are into like, हम तो solitaire पहनेंगे, हम तो diamond पहनेंगे. So are you that? या फिर you're one of those people who want to wear a bali.
Yeah, so I always wanted to wear a bali, like a black colored bali with a nice. You've seen those ones which have a chain to them, like a long a bali with a long.
You know, right? That you're going to stay in a house. You're in a family.
All your life. See, that's what I'm telling you. People who get piercings done are really very courageous.
Yeah, I know.
With the kind of society we are living in, those people are really very courageous. Like, I have never had the courage to, do this. I always wanted this. So, I always wanted a black bali with a nice, a small chain and a cross along with it. I always wanted to wear it. But see, I couldn't ever do it because I was not that courageous and I was not that outgoing. And I've seen people who can carry it. It's like, hats off. I wish I could do that. So for me, if I'll get at this age wherein I'm married, so I cannot do this. I cannot roam around with a cross.
You always can. I mean, probably if you go to some fancy dress competition.
Like, I always wanted to do this, have those black kajal. And when... seriously, during our school times, these emos and this culture was pretty much in,
Yeah.
You'd see, girls and boys, decked up in entire black clothes, black nail paints, and wearing these kind of balis. I don't know if they're still in or not. I'm not really sure about this. But yeah, wearing those balis and putting those black kajals and everything on that.
I'm pretty sure that was there when girls used to wear chokers and hairbands.
With the gothic thing was
when black was literally everything. Black nail paints, black earrings, everything black. Yeah, I totally get that era of yours.
Yeah, when Slipknot and Korn were like the gods for us.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That's a different era you're talking about.
I don't know. Are we so distant apart from each other or something? Yeah.
Probably. So I'm pretty sure. So guys, you can also tell us, where do you want to get yourself pierced? What is the best area which you think is, the best one to get pierced? So you can always hit us up on our Instagram. It's RJ_Sam, SAAM. Go hit us up and let us know. Let's conclude it.
Yeah, let's conclude it. And I'm getting a piercing in my ear, and I'm gonna put a start in that piercing. So
no diamond, shimon, solitaire, volitaire.
No, let's keep it simple.
Let's start off with this one. Okay.
Let's keep it simple.
So okay, I'll keep you guys posted whenever Dhruv gets piercing done.
Yeah, that's for sure.
That's a good one. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. This is our first episode of Chatty Nights with Samiksha and
Dhruv.
This is us signing off. Bye-bye. Good night.